What's up my mates of YouTube, my name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video we're going to be looking at a few different wintertime fragrances. Starting off with the cheapest one at $15 Australian, Intimately by David Beckham. This is actually a lot of people's first fragrance. I think it's because of the nice bottle design. And at $15 it punches well above its weight, both in terms of fragrance and performance. It smells powdery, it's woody, and it's got some warm spicy notes as well. It's definitely got a more expensive profile than the price tag actually suggests. Yeah, but actually it also has a touch of freshness as well, so there is that as well. At $15, Intimately by David Beckham is worth adding to your collection, even if you're not going to wear it a whole heap. I just feel like it's a very good introduction to the cheaper end of men's perfumery. Next up, at $35, we've got CK1 Shock. This smells like tobacco, it smells woody, and it's got a lot of spicy notes as well, primarily coming from those tobacco notes. It's sweet as well, and I think if there's one fragrance on this list that you should add, any man should add to their winter collection, it's CK1 Shock. Yeah, it's phenomenal. It's absolutely phenomenal, especially for the price. Next up is perhaps the most versatile fragrance of the bunch, Club de Nuit Intense. Man, this is a clone of Creed's Aventus. It's got a very lemon forward opening. It's got like a smoked pineapple sort of note as well. I'm not going to waste this one because of all these ones I wear this one the most. And this one comes in at about $40 to $50 depending on where you buy it. It's a clone of Creed's Aventus, so chances are if you're on my channel, you sort of know what to expect with this fragrance. Performance is phenomenal, over 8 hours on my skin, and I would recommend buying this over Creed's Aventus, just for the fact that it's so much cheaper, yet performs so much better. A lot of people try and ride out the first 25 minutes of wearing the fragrance just because it is a little harsh. They've just released a Pure Parfum of this and I can't wait to try it. It's about $105 Australian. So I ordered a bottle from India and I'm waiting for that in the mail right now. But this one you can carry with you any season, any occasion. It just smells phenomenal. Great for compliments as well. Next up is Versace's Eros. It's about $60 for 50 ml. When I went to buy Eros, they didn't have the 200 ml bottle. You can generally get the 200 ml bottle for $100 Australian, and at that price it's an absolute steal. So I just bought two 50 ml bottles and I ended up paying about $100. They gave me a little bit of a discount. It's fruity, it's sweet, it's got a really rich, warm, spicy note, and it's got vanilla in there as well. Minty, apple. It's a clubbing icon. Yeah. I don't think there's anyone on earth that dislikes the way Eros smells. Another worthy addition to your wintertime fragrance collection. Actually, you can probably wear it year round as well, but it smells best in winter in my opinion. Next up is a Middle Eastern fragrance, Wood Intense by Ragbar. It's an Eau de Parfum. This one smells like burnt sugar, caramel, and wood. I love these Middle Eastern fragrances. It's sweet, it's woody, it's smoky. It's not dirty at all like a lot of the Middle Eastern fragrances tend to be. I love how a lot of those Middle Eastern fragrances, they're unafraid of trying different notes, different combinations. You can get this for around $60 to $70 Australian. I have seen it cheaper on eBay, just shop around. If you like gourmands, if you like sweeter, woody, smoky fragrances, definitely check this one out. And finally, It's my fragrance of the day as well. We've got Stronger With You Intensely by Armani. It's around about $170, although I got this on sale for $119. It smells like caramel. It's deep, it's rich, it's just moreish. It is also, I would consider, a gourmand, even more so than Wood Intense actually. Performance is top notch. It lasts about 24 hours on my skin. Much better than just the regular Stronger With You, and this is an eau de parfum as well. If you want something that lasts a long time, it's going to be great for compliments and super suitable for the winter weather, definitely check out Stronger With You Intensely. I highly recommend it, even though it comes in a lot more expensive than the other fragrances I've mentioned. It's about double the price of the next most expensive one, Wood Intense. So yeah, if you've ever worn any of these before, let me know in the comments below and let me know what your favorite one is. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.